Welcome back, friends. We have a new project that is rocking the whole crypto space. It's called Chainbase. Now, Chainbase, just imagine a world where blockchain data is as easy to access as your favorite streaming app, unlocking AI-powered crypto apps with a single click. That's what Chainbase is building. And their C token is making waves in the Web3 space. But is this the next big thing or just another crypto hype? Stick around to uncover the truth about Chainbase, its competitors, and why it could skyrocket or stumble in 2025. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto News Plus, where we break down the hottest crypto projects to help you stay ahead of the game. Today, we're diving into Chainbase, a Web3 infrastructure project that's raised $15 million from giants like Tencent and Matrix partners with their native C token. This project is sitting now at 36 cents, and we do think that this project has a lot of potential to go more. And as you can see in the coin market cap, it's still, I think, pretty early. Now, what is Chainbase, and what's this buzz around this? The positioning itself as a game changer. Well, they're focusing on blockchain and AI integration. So let's explore it and see if it stands out and who up there against. First, welcome back to my channel, Crypto News Plus, where we break down the hottest crypto projects to help you stay ahead of the game. Today, we're diving into Chainbase, a Web3 infrastructure project that's raised $15 million from giants like Tencent and Matrix partners with their native C token. This project is sitting now at 36 cents, and we do think that this project has a lot of potential to go more. And as you can see in the coin market cap, it's still, I think, pretty early. Now, what is Chainbase, and what's this buzz around this? The positioning itself as a game changer. Well, they're focusing on blockchain and AI integration. So let's explore it and see if it stands out and who up there against. First, Chainbase is all-in-one Web3 data infrastructure platform that makes blockchain data easy to access, process, and use at scale. Think of it as a supercharged Google for blockchain. Indexing data from over 220 blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, and even non-EVM chains like Ton. Founded in 2021, and in Singapore, Chainbase powers developers with tools like NFT APIs, token APIs, and real-time data pipelines. Their mission to create a hyper data network that fuels AI-driven apps and the emerging DataFi economy. Here's the kicker. Chainbase handles 600 million data requests daily and has a community of over 500,000 members, including 30,000 developers. They're also a top validator for major blockchains, managing over 500 million in non-custodial tokens. Their testnet launched in Q3. And let's use the bridge tokens from Sepolia to Chainbase, and their AVS active validation service has over 581,000 ETH staked, ranking number one on the Egan layers leaderboard. Now, the C token. Now let's talk about C. Chainbase native token, which launched on Binance on July 14th, just about a week ago. The C is the fuel of the Chainbase ecosystem, rewarding data providers, node operators, and early adopters. As of now, it's trading around 51 cents, or now it's a little bit more, with a 3% rise in the last 24 hours and a market cap of roughly 22.6 million. At least when I wrote this, I was preparing my notes. By the time I was checking coin market cap, it pumped quite nicely. So that's where's the deviation numbers. Taking the notes in the morning, doing the video in the afternoon, and maybe by the time this video goes live, God knows what will be the price. But heads up, some community members are frustrated, saying only 2% of the airdrop went to the native users compared to 1.5% for Binance Alpha users. Still, with the growing ecosystem, C could play a big role in the DataFi revolution. Now, to be fair, what are the competitors? Chainbase isn't alone in the Web3 data space. They're up against some heavy hitters like Covalent, Helios, and Bitscrunch. which also provide blockchain data indexing and APIs. Covalent, for example, focuses on multi-chain data aggregation and has raised significant funding. Helios specializes in Solana-based data solutions, while BitsCrunch targets NFT analytics. Mobula is another competitor offering on-chain price and volume data, and CoinGecko provides market-wide crypto tracking. So what sets Chainbase apart? Its omni-chain approach supports over 220 blockchains, including non-EVM ones, and its focus on AI integration gives it an edge in the growing DataFi and open AGI economy. However, competitors like Covalent have had a head start in the market adoption, and CoinGecko's established brand makes it a go-to for price data. Chainbase will need to keep innovating to stay ahead. So key competitors are Covalent, Helios, BitsCrunch, Mobula, and CoinGecko. The potential upsides. So why should you care about Chainbase? First, their partnerships with Tencent, Google Gemini, and IO.net signal serious credibility and potential for real-world adoption. Their testnet and AVS show they're already delivering. With 580,000 ETH staked and 2,000 node operators, the focus on AI and DataFi taps into two massive trends, blockchain and artificial intelligence, potentially powering the next wave of decentralized apps. Their 15 million Series A funding from top VCs means they've got the cash. They've got the cash to scale. And for investors, see low market cap of less than 50 million market cap suggests room to growth if Chainbase delivered on its mainnet launch. Aspect predicts it could hit 1.73 by 2030 with 238% growth rate, but short-term gains could come sooner if they nail the roadmap. So the upside, strong partnerships, massive scale, AI and DataFi focus, funding, and the token potential because it's a low market cap. Now there's the potential downside. I'm being here very transparent just to show you both sides so you know what you're investing in, because at the end, this is not a financial advice. We're just showing you what projects are coming and they're hot, and it's up to you to decide how to invest. So the downside or the potential downside of this project, it's not all smooth sailing. Chainbase operates in a crowded space with competitors like Covalent, like we have said, who have stronger brand recognition. Their C token is high risk with a recent 19% weekly price swing showing volatility. Community backlash over the airdrop. That's community sentiment. The project use case isn't fully transparent yet, which might scare off cautious investors. And while the mainnet is planned, any delays or technical hiccups could tank confidence. Finally, the crypto market's unpredictability means C moonback potential, high reward, high risk could as easily lead to losses. So the downside, competition, token volatility, community sentiment, transparency, and the execution risk. In the end, the closing of this project, Chainbase is shaping up to be a powerhouse in the Web3. The team behind this project is significant. The investors don't invest. When you have powerhouse VCs, they only invest in credible projects. And the projects come in with two things: credible team with a credible idea that has a potential to grow. So therefore, blending the blockchain and the AI to unlock new possibilities with a $15 million in funding, a thriving community, and token that's just getting started, it's worth watching. We're here not to endorse this project. We like the opportunity because it's a mid-low cap. It has a lot of potential to grow. The niche they're working on is also very interesting. So if you guys are interested, if you are part of it or you don't like this project, tell us in the comments. We would like to hear your comments as a community member of the Chainbase. Bad or good, we don't care. Personally, we want to hear everyone's voice so viewers can learn whether they should invest or not. It's absolutely up to you to decide on your investment after all. Please do your own research. These are still high volatile projects because they're just starting, and this is crypto after all. Good luck, guys, and see you on the next video.